Tommy was a happy little boy who loved to run, jump, and play all day. One sunny morning, Tommy put on his favorite sneakers because he wanted to play outside with his friends. But oh no! When Tommy tried to run, his shoelaces came loose, and he almost tripped. Tommy felt a little worried. "I wish I knew how to tie my shoes," he said softly. Just then, Mommy came over with a warm smile. "Don't worry, Tommy," she said. "I can teach you." Mommy sat beside Tommy and showed him the laces. "First, we make an X," she said. Tommy watched carefully. Then Mommy looped one lace around the other. "Now pull," she said gently. Tommy tried to copy her, but his laces slipped again. "It's okay to make mistakes," Mommy said kindly. "Let's try again." Tommy took a deep breath and tried once more. This time, he made the X, pulled it tight, and made a loop just like bunny ears. "Wow!" Tommy smiled. With a little help, he crossed the bunny ears and pulled them tight. "I did it!" Tommy cheered. Mommy clapped and gave him a big hug. Tommy felt proud and happy. Soon, Tommy ran outside to play with his friends. He jumped, ran, and laughed without falling. "I tied my shoes all by myself," he said proudly. Tommy learned that with practice, patience, and help, he could learn anything. And from that day on, Tommy tied his shoes every morning with a big smile. Practice makes us better, and it's okay to ask for help.